Get ready for a mind-bending journey beyond the stars, because today on Apex IQ, we're about to shatter some of the biggest space myths that have been orbiting around us for way too long. So, strap in, because we're about to blast off into the universe of space myths. Lie number 1. The Earth is flat. I know the Flat Earth Society may have convinced a few folks, but let's set the record straight. The Earth is not a pancake, it's an oblate spheroid. One way to prove it? Well, just take a look at these breathtaking images captured by astronauts aboard the International Space Station. If that's not enough, consider how satellite orbits work. Spoiler alert, it's not possible if the Earth were flat. Lie number 2, Planet 9 will kill us. In 2016, there was a wild claim that a newly discovered planet could destroy Earth. Planet 9 is still theoretical, and even if it exists, it poses no threat to us. Mike Brown from Caltech, one of the minds behind the theory, has assured us we're safe. So, let's keep our eyes on the stars and not fall for the doomsday hype. Lie number 3, alien research is happening at Area 51. Thanks to movies like Independence Day, some believe that aliens and their tech are hiding in plain sight at Area 51. Well, surprise! Area 51 is real, but it's not a hub for extraterrestrial experiments. It's a military base with a classified purpose. While UFO sightings were reported in the area, they were just top-secret planes, not little green men. Lie number 4, there is a killer planet known as Nibiru. Remember the 2012 doomsday predictions? Yeah, that was linked to Nibiru, a supposed killer planet. But here's the scoop, no astronomer has ever found a planet on a collision course with Earth. It all started with a 1976 book, and despite multiple failed predictions, we're still standing strong. Lie number 5, the moon Iapetus is an alien Death Star. Iapetus, Saturn's moon, does look a bit like the Death Star, but don't let your sci-fi fantasies run wild. A 2016 article claimed it's an artificial object crafted by aliens, but in reality, it's just a moon made of rock and ice. No alien lasers here. Lie number 6, Saturn's hexagon is alien technology. Saturn's hexagon, discovered by NASA's Voyager in 1980, caused quite a stir. Some speculated it was an alien creation or even a gateway to hell. But no, it's just a massive, weird-looking hurricane at Saturn's pole. NASA's Cassini has flown by this mysterious hexagon, studying its unusual properties and debunking any extraterrestrial theories. Lie number 7, Mars is as big as the moon, the Mars hoax of 2003. It claimed Mars would appear as large as the full moon. Well, that's a bit of an exaggeration. Mars may be close, but it will never fill up the sky like our trusty moon. For a magnified Mars, you'll need a telescope, not wishful thinking. Lie number 8, the Apollo moon landings were faked. This one's a classic conspiracy, suggesting the moon landings were staged. But fear not, the evidence is overwhelming. Astronauts walked on the moon, and the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter has the photos to prove it. The lack of stars in photos? Blame it on the bright glow of daylight on the lunar surface. And those US flags? They had a little help from metal rods. Lie number 9, the Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure visible from space. The Pyramids of Giza, Minute Maid Park in Houston, and the greenhouses of Almeria in Spain also make quite the cosmic impression. The Great Wall may be great, but it's not the solo star in the space show. Lie number 10, Mercury is the hottest planet. You'd think being closest to the sun would make Mercury the hottest, right? It's actually Venus. It takes the crown with an average surface temperature of a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 480 degrees Celsius. So, next time you're looking for a sizzling planet, Venus is where the heat's at. Lie number 11, astrology can predict your personality or the future. Wouldn't it be nice if the alignment of stars dictated our fate? Well, sorry to burst the celestial bubble, but scientific investigations consistently debunk astrological claims. A 1985 study working with top astrologers found no predictive power in astrological signs. And there you have it, space debunkers. 11 space lies laid bare. Remember, the universe is full of wonders, and the real story is often even more fascinating than fiction. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, hit that like button, subscribe for more space adventures, and share this video with your fellow stargazers. Until next time, keep looking up.